Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Al Awael Agency in the Philippines. Am I
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can speak and I can understand.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I am Angelo Pusubzirodo, 39 years old. I am from Philippines. I am married and I have two kids. And
Okay,
this is
so
my first time to going abroad.
okay. So I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single or married?
I am married, ma'am, but
When
we
is
get
your birth?
separated. And I am single parent right now.
Single parent. Okay, so when is your birthday?
July 21, 1984, and I am 39 years old.
Okay, what about your height and your weight?
I am 5'2" and I am 50
Okay, what
kilos.
about your religion?
Catholic.
Your educational background?
I am graduate Bachelor of Elementary Education, ma'am.
BSED.
BEd.
BEN.
Yes,
BEN.
ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that you got two children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia because you mentioned that you're a single parent?
My family, my mother and my sister are there in our town. They're the one who would take care of my two kids.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Pardon, ma'am.
How many brother and how many sister do you have?
I have two brothers and one sister.
What is your rank in your family?
I am the third one, ma'am.
You're the third one. What about your parents' occupation and how old is your parents?
My father is 75 years old. My mother is 70. They are playing house,
Okay, so who
and
will
my
go?
father got sick. So my brother is the one. My brother is yeah, my younger brother is the one who is our breadwinner.
Okay. So you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and it's not 1 year. You have a 2 years contract,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
if anything might happen back, if any uncertain situation that might happen back to your family in the Philippines, please be aware that you cannot easily go back home because you signed a 2 years contract, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so if anything, if you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency because nobody forced you to come and work here and you are the one who decided because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Okay, so you are a graduate of BEED, right? You
Yes,
are a
ma'am.
teacher. Are you a teacher?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
By profession.
so what happened? Why you decided to come here to work as a DH?
It's hard to apply in here, ma'am. If you have no backup, it's hard to apply. It's not easily, I cannot easily be a teacher here. But
But if
I teach in a private school before, and the salary is not enough.
it's not enough. How much is your salary?
At that time, the year 2019, I get only 4-5 a month.
4,500.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So, you know that Angelo being a domestic helper also is very tough. It's quite different from your field, okay? So you
Yes.
need to get ready and you need to prepare for any task that the employer will be given to you. Because
Yes, ma'am.
being domestic helper is you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking because there is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only, no such a thing. if your employer got some elderly inside the house or got some children, you need also to take care of them, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how will you gonna convince the employer that they will gonna take you knowing that you don't have experience being a housemaid?
Um, don't have experience as a domestic helper, but I do have experience in taking care of the elders because of my father and my two kids also. And I know how to work the household chores. I know how to wash dishes, washing clothes, and I know how to iron and clean the house also, ma'am. And I am responsible and hardworking.
Okay. So are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Um, yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook? Can you
Pardon,
cook?
ma'am.
Can you cook?
I can cook simple dishes, Filipino dishes, but I'm willing to learn
Willing to
their
learn.
dishes.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Ma'am,
Can you
ma'am,
caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I can try, ma'am. I will do my best.
Okay, are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. Pardon, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you afraid of any dogs or any cats? Sorry?
No, ma'am.
Noah?
I am not.
Okay, are you aware in usage of mobile handphone that you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working?
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Yes, but you can hold it during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. And during your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest every week. But you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. But of course, if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to pay your salary, which means in our contract we have 1,800 ringgit for every month. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will gonna pay you 2,080 ringgit. So are you okay or do you agree?
I'm okay with that, ma'am. I agree.
Okay, I just wanted to make it clear to you, Angelo, because I don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, we got some problem. So that's why in our initial interview, I wanted to let you know our rules and regulations. Because if you disagree about our rules, it's okay. We don't force people also to come here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
As long as you are okay about our terms and conditions, we don't have problem. That's why we wanted to make it clarify to you before you come here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, being a first timer, a fresher, you know that homesickness frequently will attack you, knowing that you will working quite far away from your family. So how will you gonna handle your homesickness later once it strikes you?
Maybe push my phone, ma'am. Video call with the family, praying, and
Okay.
thinking that I need this job for them.
Okay. So why you didn't choose to go in Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe try to apply in Middle East? Why did you choose to come here in Malaysia?
Because this it's free, ma'am. I don't place in Malaysia, and
Sorry?
it's an Asian country, ma'am.
Okay. So the Singapore and Hong Kong is also an Asian country, right? So why you didn't choose to go there?
Placement fee, ma'am. I need some cash to apply
Okay.
in there, so I don't have that.
Okay. So there is a placement fee. Okay. So I think that's
Yes.
all for now, Angelou. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you and have a good day. Bye.